Okay, review for test number 2, system of equation, but we solve it graphically. Okay, we take the first equation, we solve for y, for example, is y equal minus 6x minus 41. Okay, let's do in the graph of this line, because I propose you, in this case, do the chart. X, y, x comma y. Why? Because negative 41 is super huge number. So it's completely outside the graph. So no much better doing wrong and right, chart. In this case, select for example negative 7 here. Again, when you plug it in here, it's negative 6 times negative 7 minus 41 is a 42 minus 41 is 1. Is 1. 1 point at least is negative 7, comma 1. Okay, now second point is suppose near to this negative 6. Negative 6 is negative 6 times negative 6 again. Minus 41. Let's see, it's 36. At 36 minus 41 is negative 5. And the point is negative 5. And the point is negative 6, comma, negative 5. Okay, let's go directly to the equation. 1 point is to the graph of this line. Negative 7, here, and positive 1. This is 1 point here. This is this. And the other point is negative 6, negative 5, negative 6, negative 5, negative 6, negative 5. This is the point. Let me connect the point by the line. Okay, super. Now the second equation. The second equation, so for y is 6y is equal minus x minus 36 divided by 6 is y is equal negative 1 over 6 x minus 6. Well, in this case it's easy by slow wrong and right, because it's, for example, the y in set is negative 6. At least we have 1 point here, negative 6. And another point that we have is, for example, wrong and right. Wrong is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 1 down here. Okay, let's do it in the graph. The graph looks like that, passing through this point, passing through this point, passing through this point. Okay. Then it's obvious that the intersection is this point, que es the solution, que es the point negative 6, comma negative 5. It's the solution que corresponde with the option C. Okay, to see much better the graph, I propose using Algebra, que es a software que I have to do the graph. Entonces, the first point is the point negative 7, comma 1. The second point is negative 6, comma negative 5. And this is the line associated with that. The next point in the other line is 0, negative 6, and the second point is exactly the same. By the way, it's the solution. Now the point, the graph, the linear function is like that. Entonces es obvio que this point A, que es -6, -5, is the solution. Okay, let me copy the equation. The first one is 4x plus 3y equals 16, maybe. So 4y is 3y is equal minus 4x plus 16 divided by 3 and by 3, y is equal minus 4 over 3 x plus 16 over 3. But the problem is that 16 over 3 is a decimal, so it's not good to see graphically. It's much better do the chart, x and y. And you assume, for example, arbitrary value of the independent variable 4. I'm plugging in 4 in the original here. 4 times 4 plus 3y is equal to 16. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3y is equal to 16. Now 3y is equal to 16 minus 16 is 0. Divided by 3 and by 3 is obviously y is 0. Good. 0,4 is the first point. 4,0, sorry, 4,0. Now another point, maybe I select arbitrary value 7. I'm plugging in 7. It's 4 times 7 plus 3y is equal to 16. This is 28 plus 3y is equal to 16. Now 3y is equal to 16 minus 28. It's negative 12. Negative 12. Negative 12 divided by 3 and by 3. Y is equal to negative 4. And the point is negative 4 here. It's a 7, negative 4. And we have at least 1 point. Or 2 points. 1 point is 4,0 here. 4,0 is this. Another point is 7, negative 4. 7, 7, 7, 7 here. Negative 4 is negative 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 points here. And you're connecting this point by the straight line. Let me try to do by hand. Something like that. Help me see I make a mistake. After we are doing using the software. This is the equation. This is the line that represents the first equation. The first. Let's see the second. Well, the second equation is 3x minus 2y equal negative 5. Let's do it again. By the same reason, when you divide it by 2, you have a fraction here. So let's do it again, the chart. X and y. And the point x, y. And you select arbitrary value, suppose 1. This is 3 times 1 minus 2y equal negative 5. This is 3 minus 2y equal negative 5. Minus 2y is equal negative 5 minus 3 minus 2y is equal minus 8 divided by negative 2, both sides. Y is 4. So we have 1 point is 1,4. Okay, another point, maybe select 3 or 2, whatever, 3. 3, plugging in 3 in the original here. 3 times 3 minus 2y equal negative 5. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2y is equal negative 5. Minus 2y is equal minus 5 minus 9 is negative 14 divided by negative 2. Both sides is 7. Is 7. So the other point is 3,7. With both points is enough to do the line. We have 1, 4, 1, 4 is here, 1, 4. 3,7 is 3, 3, 3, 3, and 7 here. Let's get here. Now, this is the graph of the line, and this I suppose is the solution, okay, in this case the point 1, 4, 1, 4, que corresponde with the option B. Okay, using the software, I have the first line. Okay, let's see. This is the first line. Okay, the typical point are 4,0 and 7,-4. The second line, typical point is 1,4 and 3,7. And the solution is the common point is 1,4.